OKFM 101.7.
Nana Obiri Boahen, a private legal practitioner. Or your Canada Deputy General Secretary Dima NPP Amanyokua Ediaban. Yanena no Obiri Boahen church and command no pay ewa dia bia. Nana Mache.
Yeah, me just me.
Na boko de.
Na me aba woman.
Ya danyamianse na nana we de ye hye nkomo yase na baby ayaba bedru yi nanka yentumi nsia no ans takura na ebubu abahama twuma mentwe ntimi wase hey amenne cheze obibeka we are sitting on tenterhooks so
Just fine.
Dia na yanye ni Supreme Court, Parliament, mentimi wase wantwi entawantawa. We expect judgment today.
Diana Yang.
Exactly.
It's the speaker Abambabi na Anyen. Diana Yang is speaker Abambabi na Wanyen.
Diana Wanyen na.
See, look. As someone Lawyer Haruna Bisu ka say Parliament is here. Obey raise that issue no. Haruna Bisu nyam from so. But minimum parliamentary proceedings no. So na procedures say city at force ni raise. But that one also there's nothing wrong about that. But then when I think I'm marking a man who said, or the court, and care and as option to demonstrate respect for judiciary and to exhibit respect for the Supreme Court. Nanka as a kaho. Yako court. So, court, non process be aba. Na me mfa no say judge bia ma ruling anya obi da why appeal now I file their stay of proceedings wa call high court wa refuse no why be a friend repeat application there even though pending wa court of appeal the high court judge will exercise respect for the appellate court no osonia yan twane kopim se court no the kabindi sometimes so high court may give a decision be now won't ase but we did say high court exceeded the jurisdiction or call nya benko for instance if your case be a court na high court no judge na ko ka say enunti efiri na ko manya wo ho se ohene efiri se wonye hene lawyer no better se me ko Supreme Court for judicial review to quash the high court no kan ye no because high court no need to me so be kan hwan na ye hene ene hwan na enye hene etia bia otusha da na se ye kona lawyer no judge nte say lawyer na ko Supreme Court ako file application for judicial reviewer o so ne ma me hwe wo krata no bi ho o de bia ma obi wo ho sexual right and prohibition o ro wo bi wo ho a ma me hwe me de benyam fa bi mesebo me de o de wo bi wo ho ma me hwe na lawyer na yi akira judge no judge ne hwa okay lawyer wo fa no ho ano o de court clerk Jima Ninshe. Not the ama lawyer no fano and swashe. Na judge say etianya and day. Nikra among Castle. Also, here and the judge vicinity as the other name Metuasha da. Mobile Supreme Court Naba and Sana Mesumaba Medium. Ye when in a debia court to show respect. The Dukra lawyer no on the other side, no your filing motion. No. But you're affected, either the interested party or the respondent, lawyer. Obeka say oh your application no kura no on kasayo interested party and respondent no say oh ene saade aye ntu sheda ni nyina ye ema ye de kire buo a ye de ma society announce court ya family fie memfa ne say abronya ye dikuru abronya ne manhene ene domase number 2 eti ebi asase bi hu asem aba no fa ba akon edi akosama na ma abronya dikuru ana fa ba akososo no odo de benya nsabo no kura nkyɛ sɛ ne bia ni sɛ bi bɛba akosama no wa nti ba akon eba adomase no ba sama no ye e wo domase manhene patu so ofri domase kodru abronya ne pe ne bede nkrata abro ne se ba sama no e wo abronya hene patu so enti bia abronya hene de ne bedi kana frɛ enti be fra obekɔ na okwa nana cham wo hola mo ho na anum ko domase ba e ne bedi krata ibrem se asumasi ana minu ya be sama no na abronya dikuru ho anachame asem kro na asase kro no ahu asem ni ma di kan di akoma dom asem man enokura me koye no nkrata ye ni abronya hene ne atlankonya no nya bebe kan se okay sadia so de koye man hene ho dia ye ntena abronya ho eni asem no sana society be bia ye be ye no ufa ba better stools so ba better skin so benyina bia efie kura ewo ho ebia odi asem na ko kire abrantie bi wo fie na sa asem na unim abema na nya onzo ja koma abusua panyini sa bratia no frɛ asense kwaku mpese ne hwem asem ko me dem ja koma abusua panyini o ni obeka nse odi ama abusua panyini dia nya me kan enye yi so odi ama abusua panyini a ene me kan enye yi etrese ene ye nyina ye go that is how it's done. Now you're the Speaker of Parliament, you're a lawyer by profession. After marking Obama ruling what can't say much in fairness and to demonstrate respect for law and order. Ultimately, say judiciary ye de bibia benye parliament so ye de bibia yenye I mean zana ye kan sabi what is something say we do we agree so parliament ye bibia e won mra no sa case na bibia be ka say na supreme court the parliament ye ni bibia won mra no it's judgment services that attorney general. The facts of that case is different from the facts of this case. Judgment services that attorney general na o maka ahona the power approval issue no buy no facts ni different. Court adwuma no enye safo bia na edi hini pono bia probia wa ne safo the bia pono bi ni pono bi bese so na judgment services attorney general there yeah and then speaker kwatena bia kwa press conference court and executive beka yes brashe adakam yan kasa sa sabi it's unacceptable. We do respect, we don't do that. With all humility, the speaker went beyond bounds. What is going on? What is happening?
Lawyer. Lawyer, my mimi kakra. Other thoughts and for I share emra issue by ye. Parliament, womuni parliamentary president, ewo dia AC. Now dia AC ye. Any dia AC difference ben any womb.
You see, look. Once again, let's go to the Amakoto 4, the Attorney General. In constitutional matters, say, Baya Bibini Betty, we are Bibini Betty. Now say unconstitutional. Estoppel doesn't come in. That is the law. So, maybe a Siaman. No, let's not go to a Siaman. You know, Proboside or NDC. Tenyan. Something happened between NDC and Tenyan. Something also happened between Adwa Safo and MPP. Meaning now, a Siaman the MPP for. Even the Asiama, the facts are not the same. In the Asiama case, the MPP as a party notified Asiama. Notified Asiama. No, in constitutional law, no matter what, even if it is 1 + 1 is 2, the person to be affected, you must give that person the opportunity to be heard. Siama, Cynthia Morrison, Suhun, and then the NDC question. Opportunity ben on the man or more to be heard. That is one thing. But the fact that we are away a Siama MPP and Makokwe, may unconstitutional. In constitutional law, in constitutional matters, 1 + 1 no, it is amount 2. And yet chemistry, and yet physics, and yet mathematics, and now we are 1 + 1. There be a amount 2. But in constitutional matters, and Konosa, it is a Bekokasa, Makokema ruling be. Even facts in that case in Kuram, anyway, in your Pekuram Podu. I don't know just Makokema ruling be in Alpha. We see a man, not Bankasa. No, the Constitution is supreme. We call it the grand norm. And the one who as you are in the words of Obi Ole, as you poti. So, kiss the Constitution is what is a kiss of as you poti. And I projected as a wishing, near projected and Yamano echo screen so. Constitution is supreme. But you see the a balance of powers in the Adena. Even though, but I say, 3 organs of government in Bia or baby, Bia or baby of family.
But no, wait, dear, sorry, you made you Sibone. No, maybe say, Aaron Michael Quay, Abresso Diano. Dear. Anyway, no difference a woman dear way.
Just Aaron Michael Quay, difference announced that the party wrote. The party wrote and the party notified the affected person as Yama. Well, we said, the more, and then the party wrote. The party wrote, party in Chile. A party in Chile. Party in the Bima as Yama.
A fantastic. Now, I wonder that the content of their party in Chile, comes to question, say. Not party ni say what matter say be a asimesi ana obintin e be a free party ni mako pursue in the political career in a bia in another domain inti you are expelling from the party on can you be with effect ana.
Yes, a party ni choice. But in this case, always a party MPP and this also be accurate. Also be accurate movie. Nipa nine MPP and DCO. One should be party in the actual movie. And
then, Anna, a BBC says, and it says, OBM Rasebejani, now one party is in a buy, not time now or several, and soon. Now, okay, say, the next election, many party A and co, many party B, Ebeko, regardless of time or no, Akama, duration, I end, When does self communication not take effect? Some many party A will
a honor excellence in yes, Adia Yanko Abrewa. Yanko Abrewa, the interpretation of some provisions here working. Sadia, a taking from that It's a key threat from China. It's a key threat from Nano. Enyan Ruho, Edruha, I come ready, Daddy, Ayachina, Daddy, Ayana, Daddy, Ayanes, Abato, Daddy, Ayanes Parliament. First, a young answer, I say, I when I am here. In this context, you go Abroano, I just say, you call for interpretation. You call for interpretation. You go Abroa. I better say, you call for interpretation. No. Constitution, why not interpretation? Why not? It is the Supreme Court.
okayfm.
It is the Supreme Court.
1.7.
So, what Mr. Chachuchi Kata and Atugubanamo Kanunino, I beg to differ. I beg to differ. The Chachuchi Kata, the Ansansari, the Atuguba, nearby Kanunina, I beg to differ. And if I can be bold in Norfolk, I will say, no, they are wrong. Chachu is wrong, Ansansari is wrong, Atuguba is wrong.
Lawyer, Edia Wubube, they are legal luminaries. Rebecca said, woman who dear one Remuno. As soon as by Trapa, Unini said, Woman Ram ran Nutuni in Natamu.
Lord Danning, crying your mistake. Lord Danning, what are you saying? Lord Danning, what is Lord Danning that? Lord Danning, what I'm saying. Some can say, look, on this call, I disagree. Chachu is wrong. On this call, I disagree. And Sansari is wrong. On this call, Akiguba is wrong. Somebody will say Obiri Boahen is wrong. But I'm saying that on this call, why is the Supreme Court no taking over? So, look, let's take your command press. You be said, interview be said. Process is now, I'm trying to make him file. Process is now, same. I read it. No, you see, in the interest of justice, the law look at the substance. In the interest of justice, the law look at the substance. And this position was canvassed in Lukumensa versus the Attorney General and the Electoral Commission. I think that was 204, 205. Lukumensa. Go and look at Lukumensa. Lukumensa, when the documents filed, the processes filed, where they didn't meet the standard of a Supreme Court. But the Supreme Court of Ghana, I think it was 204, 205. The Supreme Court of Ghana said that, look, this particular case, let's look at the substance. And of course, that is true. Sometimes we don't have rigid adherence to the rules. Rigid adherence to the rules. So in this particular, as far as this, as a member of the Supreme Court, I beg to differ, and I can say without the slightest reservation that I disagree with Chachu Chikata, I disagree with Ansansari, and I disagree with Atiguba. And I disagree with Nelson Damafiako. I disagree with the four of them.
Now,
it is not a matter for the High Court. It is a matter of interpretation. And Ghana's interpretation, it is the Supreme Court that is close with jurisdiction to do that.
All right. Now let's go to Parliament. Now, you hear about Queen to say, Speaker, your Parliament, Rebecca say, they are governed by their own principles and their own regulations, standing orders, and their keke. Now, Speaker, as I say, about betumenim, we're making reference to one standing orders. One so Eddie Yomajuma say, based on your standing orders, the ababetumenim and among we and I was here two were two. Kwapim says Supreme Court on so ebeba Eddie ruling Abano. A big tragedy say, Adana Yenyaima Parliament. Omu to me, dear woman, mano, dear Speaker. Akano. Ye effect no until Supreme Court Ebeka otherwise.
But what? Let me use my typical expression. The boy. Woman the truth. You see, when the Supreme Court can say stay decision of the speaker no nentrasian say yeah that me mamran brofo no maba no twi e kire say yeah maintain the status quo nentrasian bi onisa nentrasian say ansama speaker ebe kana sem no the Supreme Court akame kire say ansama speaker no be kana sem no bia nyina nyogina bia ntran yote bia nkonyoko bia nya nyoye bia nya nya tese bia ntran nya ansa na speaker be kasa not bia se mugina wa bia nyina ansa na speaker be kasa na ogina the Supreme Court has frozen Supreme Court achichere speaker no decision no speaker decision no ye no say hurihuro say nantio say atwenumu Supreme Court has said nothing. So you must take the decision of the speaker sana mrano etre umpo sana etre anyanya kwa kufa otre ananya kwa bonapa otre ya meme pa etre ankana no nka Barcelona nka she resource like that
nanai so the question is and there's idea and that is not the law. You are not respecting the Constitution. The Constitution says ABC. Constitution is in the Supreme Court to Beckham. Tin time yo. No, and you're trying a ruling and in order not to say Bekwa nebia yanwa company akoye yakwaka dia yenka na ye fancy na yen ruling no
unu say me mature and experience me nkonia bebe kokane me konia as dada me nkonia bebe kanne
and you tena ne ato so na ya hwede a wom de beba ne na de oye experience bia me na bia na manu akopa na akoye prejudicial na de asema benti na ma me no asia no pe.
Now what is Brazil Santos are qualified no?
Oh sir,
Santos are qualified 10 years in the wilderness. Santos are called Division 1, sir. Neymar Santos, Robinho Santos, Pele Santos. And now, Oma qualified. They say Oma qualified Oma a top flight league.
Yes, Nami had much a better to so pa na ya bonkoma a council so. Now, no Obiri Boahen Ankane Deputy General Secretary. Adima was Naman Yuku, dear by NPP.
OKFM 101.7.